Hi, my name is Alex Spencer, and this is a tutorial for Tuts Plus. Pixelmator is an amazingly powerful photo editing software that's only available on Mac computers or iPads. With a price tag of $29.99 for the OS X version and $9.99 for the iOS version, Pixelmator's value can't be beat. In this first of two-part series, I will show you how to use Pixelmator to transform the average vacation photo into something beautiful that you'll be proud to share with your friends and family. You'll learn how to remove imperfections or unwanted people from your images, crop those images, and add text to them as well. I'll teach you how to do this in both the iPad and the Mac versions of Pixelmator. So let's get started. When you come across pictures that need something removed, like the tourists in this shot, the repair tool is the perfect solution. Click on the bandage icon to select the repair tool, then use the gear icon towards the top left to choose between Quick, Standard, and Advanced. Quick mode should be used when the object being removed sits on a plain or simple background. So if this was all blue, all white, or all yellow, it would be perfect for quick mode. Unfortunately, it's a very complex picture, so that won't work. Standard mode will work best when there's a slightly more complex background like a gradient. And advanced mode does incredibly well against a complex background like this one. So I'm going to choose the advanced mode. Once you have the correct mode selected, click and drag around the imperfect area. So if I want to remove this particular tourist, I'll click and drag to basically paint around him. Once I've got him fully covered, I'll let go. And he's gone. To make sure I'm slightly more accurate in this, I'm going to zoom into the picture by holding Command and pressing the plus button. Then I'll scroll up to where the rest of the tourists are and repeat that same process. Just click and paint over them, and they disappear. On the iPad, pinch and zoom to the area that you would like to modify, click the brush icon, then retouch, repair, and then use your finger to paint over the area you would like to remove. Upon removing your finger, a progress bar will appear across the bottom and it will indicate that it's processing. Once done, the person or object will have been removed. In many situations, it makes more sense just to remove an entire section of the picture. In other words, you don't want to resize the picture, you want to cut a portion of it out, as if you were taking a pair of scissors to it. This is what the crop tool was designed for. Select the crop tool from the main toolbar, then drag around the area that you would like to keep. I'm going to keep everything except for this parking lot, which I don't think adds a ton to this picture. On release, Pixelmator will highlight the section of the picture and put a fade over the section that will be removed. Press the return key to confirm that the picture will be cropped. The picture is now cropped, and it looks much better. On the iPad, click the brush icon, then crop. Use the corners to click and drag to select the area you would like to keep. Once you are satisfied, click Apply. You can play around with a bunch of different crops and see how the picture will turn out, knowing that you can always undo any crops that you make. On the iPad, you'll simply click Undo, and on the Mac, you'll simply click Command-Z. Now let's say that I'd like to add a little bit of text to identify where this picture was taken. From the Tools menu, I'm going to click on the T icon to select the text tool. Then I'm going to click and drag wherever I'd like to add text. I'm going to double click to select the text that's already in there and just type Grand Cayman, as that's where this picture was taken. I can adjust the font size and color using all of the presets up here. Once I'm satisfied, I can use the hand tool to click and drag and move the text anywhere I'd like. On the iPad, click the plus icon, then choose the T from the top set of tabs. Choose the font that you would like to use, and a text box will appear in the dead center of your picture. Double-click on it to edit the text. To edit the font, click the brush icon, choose the color you'd like to use. You can also choose the font size, color, bold, italic, or underline, the justification, as well as many other styles from this menu as well. Once you are satisfied, you can minimize the keyboard and move your text anywhere in the picture. In this tutorial, I showed you how to take a simple vacation photo and transform it into a beautiful postcard using the Repair tool, Crop tool, and Text tool. In future tutorials, I'll show you how to do a non-destructive edit with masks, add color enhancements, and use filters to really make your pictures pop. If you haven't already done so, go to the App Store and download Pixelmator. In my humble opinion, it's one of the most value-packed applications the App Store has available today. Try it out and tell me what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching!